Welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the Prisma 3D 3.0 interface and its essential tools. This guide will help you get started. New project. This lets you start from scratch and create your own 3D scene. Project panel. If you've already worked on something before and saved it, this option allows you to continue where you left off. Settings. This is where you can change app's interface and behavior, like adjusting controls to suit your preference. You can also access the Discord server of Prisma 3D. When you click the New Project option, the Choose a Model screen will appear, giving you different options to start with. On this screen, you'll see three main sections: characters, geometric objects like cubes, pyramids, cylinders, spheres, and planes. Custom. This is where you can import or create your own custom shapes to add to your project. If you want to start with a humanoid model, tap on the human model. Click the check mark on the top right corner, an empty scene will open. Once a model is selected, it will appear in the main workspace. In this case, let's select a cube to start with. Now, let's go over the left toolbar, which contains some of the most important tools for creating 3D models. Home button. This brings you back to the main menu, where you can create a new project, open existing ones, or save your work. Models button. This is where you'll find different 3D shapes, such as cubes, spheres, and cylinders, etc. Want to add 3D text to your scene? This button allows you to type and generate 3D letters, which you can customize by changing fonts, sizes, color, and depth. Light button. Lighting is crucial in 3D modeling. This button lets you add different types of lights. Camera button. This tool adds a camera to your scene. The audio tool lets you import sound effects, voiceovers, or background music for animations. At the bottom, we have the timeline and playback controls. The timeline lets you create animations by setting keyframes. The play button allows you to preview animations before exporting. The undo and redo buttons help you correct mistakes quickly. Export, used to save your project in different 3D file formats. Scene outliner. This shows the list of models in your scene. And that's a quick overview of the Prisma 3D interface and its tools. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions.